What's up, team? Is the 28th of November, and right now is currently 12:33 in the afternoon. We're about to go through the charts. Right now, we are looking at USD CHF. But before we go any further, let me check out today's news. Okay, so we have Euro news and AUD. It's looking pretty good personally for me. And I hope you guys have been subscribing as well so that you can benefit from the knowledge that I'll be dropping soon enough. And yeah, from our daily setups as well. Okay, so straight to the charts. Looks like we are going to be taking a look at USD CHF first. Let's go to the 1 hour. As you can see, we had our peak formation high right here on top. Let me just mark this with red. Okay. Peak formation high. We had 1 day of drop, 2 days of drop. So it's looking pretty clear to me that this here is another level. Let me make this black. Okay, so we have level 1 drop, level 2 drop, and right here we're expecting price. We have the EMA cross here. Wow, this is actually looking pretty good. I'm definitely going to sell this until probably yesterday's low. My stop loss somewhere above here. Because as you can see, okay, level 1, level 2, and price is all the way up here. It's looking good. Let me see if the New York session has started. Yeah, no, the London. Okay, it appears the London session is about to start right now at 3:45. The London session will have started. So for now, I think what we can do is just they might want to throw another pin to the upside. So I think let me make it green. Okay, let me just make this red or something. Please note that we haven't yet entered this trade. But what I'm waiting to see is for price to cross the RSA line, the red one, and maybe the 13 EMA as well. Given that we're about to enter the London session right now, it's currently 3:36 in New York right now, and we usually like to trade from 3:45, right? So it's looking pretty good, though we haven't entered yet because price might still give us some sort of candle, maybe a week or whatever. Because usually there's a lot of fake move on the beginning of the London and the end of Asian session. So yeah, currently this is what I'm waiting for them to give us some sort of rejection here. It can be here or maybe candle whatever week or just close below this 13 EMA and whatever, and also waiting for TDI to give us a signal so we can enter sell to the downside on USD CHF. Yeah, perhaps maybe until this point level here. Yeah, will be good. Or even drop furthermore from here to the downside, but our first TP would be here. Though there's a huge potential that 1, 2, and that we are going to continue dropping at least down here so that we can make level 3, and then probably since today it's Thursday, we probably want to be expecting a reversal tomorrow, like 1, 2, 3 to the downside, and then tomorrow they reverse for Friday, right? 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, and tomorrow expect some sort of pullback or reversal so they can end the week. Even though these guys, they can't just move price as they wish. They have certain limits placed on them by the world banks and whatever. So these are some things that we must be aware of, some things that we can use also in our favor. Because you could also take the reversal. Usually if it's level 3 on Friday, you could take the reversal as well, depending if you can identify it. Okay. So It's looking good. USD CHF is looking pretty good. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so for USD CHF, this is it. Let me save this. I hate to reanalyze from the start every single day. Let's go to Euro USD and we can take a look on, okay, just as I mentioned yesterday, there was a chance that this would be, it's either a reset or we continue to the upside. So right now on Euro USD, what's happening is this on the H1. Let me remove this. This is now our direction. Our direction now is to the upside on Euro USD. Given that we now counted this as level one, now probably entering level two. As I mentioned yesterday, there was, okay, level one. So this is most probably level two. So we are looking to go buy side with the trend right now, since the trend is to the upside. How's it looking like? Oh, I actually like as well how Euro USD is looking right now. Yeah, this is nice. Let's see if this candle can close above the 13 EMA. If it does that, then if it closes above the 13 EMA here, we can enter buy side on Euro USD, given that it would have given us a proper setup over here. Rejection of the 800, rejection of the 200 EMA. Looks like a small W pattern, but we still want to see the confirmation close above this. And also TDI is on the oversold. We already made the first leg, second leg inside out, shark fin, blood and water. Okay, today's USD, CHF and Euro USD setups are looking pretty good. I don't wanna lie to you guys. From my point of view, we can take a buy on Euro USD as soon as it closes above here. We got our confirmation and then we can enter buy side on Euro USD. And as soon as also, yeah, as soon as we get some sort of rejection, like clear rejection, given that we're now entering the London session. So entering the London session, there's always fake move and whatever. So we also like to wait until we are in session so that we can now see what direction price really wants to go to. Okay. So for now, what we have to do is wait for proper confirmation so that we can enter these trades. Because if we get the proper confirmation, our stops may even be a little bit smaller when it's now going to the downside. Okay. So Euro USD as well. All right, guys. So this is my view on Euro USD and USD CHF. I'll probably be updating you. Right now, I can't tell if I'll be able to update you on this video or the next one. So that is it for now. Catch you back in a bit. We just entered our buy. So and USD CHF as well. We're about to enter our sell as soon as it gives us our confirmation. We enter our sell to the downside. So I'll be updating you guys on its performance, on how it's going and everything. And yeah, I'd like my TP to be at least somewhere around this area here, upside, so that we can maximize this side area. Okay, though there's a high potential, price is gonna continue to reach even higher. So this would be about 42 pips, and our stop loss is about 17, 16, 17, 16 pips. Yeah, which is fair enough. Probably gonna get 1.5, or even if we decide to, when it gets here, we can also trail or stop and lock in our profits and see if we can continue to let it run until the ADR are high. which could also be an option. So we're just gonna keep checking on how price is moving, and then we only react to what the market shows us today. Yeah, I like this. If it closes somewhere down here, then it would definitely give us like some railroad track and more of a clear confirmation to continue to the downside. And I would actually like to really take that. Yeah, so we are going to take also USDCHF as soon as it gives us the confirmation. So yeah, let's see how we're gonna do this. All right, I like how it's happening. It's as we had analyzed earlier on, we can see that Euro USD actually ended up giving us a beautiful W pattern, and we entered the trade here at the green line. And we literally expecting price to continue to rise at least until this level, or we will just move our stops once price breaks this or gets over here. We will just move to break even once price reaches this. So let's take a look also at USD CHF as well. Our entry is here, our stop loss above the high, and it happens to be dropping as well. So I would like for it to break below the 50 EMA and continue to the downside. So I'll be updating you guys. And if it's too late, I'll just upload the video as it is so that you can see that it is possible to identify these setups, and it is possible to actually make money out of this and become proficient and take this as a profession for yourself. So that's about it, guys, for today. Let's see how we give. Okay, what's up, guys? Is today two. We're probably gonna be doing a continuation of yesterday's trade, and yeah, it appears that we have already hit our TPs on both of them. As you can see, this is USD CHF. As I mentioned, we had level one, level two, and we expected a drop from here. Level two, we're still on level two. We want to see another level of drop so that we can make level three, or we could also say that this here, this is level one, level two, or level three, but we are still yet to see what kind of pattern they're going to give us today. But before, I'm just going to be updating you on yesterday's setup. We actually analyzed together so that you can see that it is possible, and it is possible to do it constantly if you just have the knowledge. Can you check? This is actually our analysis yesterday, peak formation high. Our stop loss, I did mention that the stop loss would be here, and then our TP would be around the blue tracer, which is day before yesterday's low. So it actually hit today in the morning, our TPs, which is the blue tracer, and price started to reverse. Okay, so now we are just waiting to see what price is going to give us today. So this is was a win. Let us see the stop loss and the TP. Yeah, stop loss was around 9 pips, and our TP was around 43, 44 pips, as you can see over here. It doesn't get any better than this. It doesn't get any better than this. And let us take a look also on Euro USD. Euro USD, as you could see yesterday, we did say this is level one. Now that we're on level two, we're expecting price to continue to the high side since we are making higher highs and higher lows. Now that we come here, we can see that we analyzed also Euro USD yesterday, and we did mention this is our entry at the green line, and then the red would be our stop loss, which is below the low and out of range, and our TP would be here at this blue line here that I drew yesterday. So okay, hold on a second. Our TP would be here, the blue line. So this would be 17 pips stop and about a 43 pips TP, right? So I think it's 1 to 2, 1 to 3, some sort. So as you can see, it is possible, guys, to do this constantly, but only if you remain strict and if you always be very picky about the setups you take. You gotta be very picky with the setup. If you don't see something that you have seen before, don't take the setup. Don't act with your emotions. You don't have to trade every single day. You don't have to trade every single day. Some days you just leave the market and let it do what it does. If you don't see your setup, it's fine. It's fine for you to not trade for that certain day. You gotta be very picky and selective. That's the way that you can make money in this business and continue to benefit from it. So this is it, guys. As it is Friday, the week is about to end. Usually I don't take many trades on Fridays unless I see a proper setup. And for now, I don't see nothing yet. So that's about it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share with friends and whoever needs some daily knowledge as well. And yeah, soon I'll be dropping you more knowledge about how you can really identify these trades and everything, guys. Peace.